Hello guys, hope everyone is enjoying Eid holidays. So today is one of the Eid holidays, so we are going to a Dolphin Park and see how the park is. So I will just show you the park. So my father is going to park the car. After that I will show you the whole park and explain you. So there is a beautiful sight of the sea, and that's why many people come here and visit this park. Hello guys, today we are at Dolphin Park, so let's go and explore it out. So here is a cycle track, so people are cycling here and some people are walking in the edge of the grills and they watch the beautiful sight of the sea. And this park is one of the most beautifulest park in Abu Dhabi. Hi Ziad, hi Shireen. So there are two restaurants. One is pizza restaurant and the other one is burger one. So in the night, most of the people come here and sit and eat because in the night there will be lights here. So I will also show that in the last. And here the cushions and the chairs are very nice and they are creative. So everyone, there are many trees here, especially palm tree and neem trees are very much here. So today the climate is very good and that's what many people are here. So here is also a basketball court, so many people are playing here. So let's take a closer look at that. And I like this mushroom kind of thing. And the grasses are planted, they are very beautiful. I am requesting who all are in UAE, please come to this park and visit here. and I will also send the location map in the description box so you can check it out. So here is also a kids play area, so let's take a closer look at this. So my brother started playing because he loved to play like this. So everyone, as I said you, this park name is Dolphin Park, and it's officially named by the government of UAE because this fountain, the dolphin fountain, is very famous here. So the government itself kept this park name as Dolphin Park. So now let's continue watching. Oh, many people sit here and watch the fountain because it's very beautiful. So at the sunset time, the clouds are very beautiful to look from here. At the other side of the park, there is Al Bateen Airport, so many flights come here and go, and they are very nice to watch from here. So the birds are chirping here, and I love to watch birds chirping. So this is known as site flora, and these all are mangrove trees, and mangrove trees in the UAE are known as kurum, and they are take up 155 square kilometers of the UAE coast lines according to the EAD. And the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, as I said you, the founding father of UAE, he understood the importance and the values of mangrove trees, and the UAE government has been initiated a massive forest action program that contributed like that to increase the number of mangrove trees in UAE. Do you know that these forests are in great danger, with more than 35% of all mangroves in the world already destroyed, much of these due to habitat loss resulting from coastal development. So some fun fact of this mangrove trees are mangrove forests are they are also called as guardians of coast. And everyone, also these mangrove trees are very lovely to watch here, and many people come here and see the mangrove trees. They are very beautiful with the sight of the ocean. I could see the Dhul Hijjah 11th moon from here, and this is very beautiful. And there are big swings here, so people's children's play. And these are like steps, water steps, and at the night they are very cool. And this is like water strips, and we could walk here, and it's nice in the night because they put light here. So I could even see the bed chairs for taking some rest, and many people are fishing here also. So let's take some more look at this park. So after some time we plan to make barbecue here because there are place for making barbecue, so many families are making. So we brought some coals and chicken for making chicken tikka and kebab. So my father is just pouring the fire gel as the fire could come, and we should make the lightning and put the coal there. So let's have some more look. After till 2 to 3 minutes the fire came very fast, and we kept the chicken tikka and kebab. So let's wait till they cook. Everyone, they has been cooked and I ate one. They are very delicious. Mostly I like the kebab instead of chicken tikka because the kebab was the most delicious food here, and I actually love kebab. So as I said you, in the night the pizza shop and the burger shop will be very beautiful. So there are many people sitting here, and they are filled up with lights and they are very beautiful. Sitting area is very good because they are filled up with lights. And now we are going back to home. My father is taking our car, so I'm just going back to home. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Thanks for watching.